Welcome to Word of the Day. Today's word is fortitude. As human beings, we often come across fears. In the face of fears, there can be primarily two ways that people can go. One is that the fear dominates their choices. The other way is that a person rises above fear and chooses that option which they feel is right for them, even in the face of great fear. Rising above fears and doing right things in certain circumstances pose particular challenges for human beings. They have to fight the fear outside as well as the fear inside. What could be these fears? Some people are afraid of cockroaches. Others have a fear of haunted places. Some possess water phobia, fear of water. And a Pakistani fear is what people will say. Hajra is afraid of haunted places. She has to pass across this haunted house. She only can do this if she overcomes her internal fears. She needs courage and a call for action. Asad has water phobia. He wants to learn swimming. His coach tells him that he can do it. He only needs to rise above his fear. Rising above fears need to form a certain habit which enables a person to do opposite to what fear tells him. It is doing something what reason tells him. Certain attributes are required for dealing well in rising above fears. These characteristics or virtues are termed as fortitude. Courage is something which all of us need in order to live well. So, fortitude is the courage shown by somebody who is suffering great pain or facing great difficulties. Fortitude means courage in pain or adversity. Some other words which we can use in place of fortitude are bravery and courage. Let's see its sentence. She endured her illness with great fortitude. And this was Word of the Day. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.